Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy and I welcome you to our live trading room results for the week. Today I will start with DAX. You see here we had a reaction on our trend line, conservative bounce setup, if you remember the strategy, and with pending orders and an APO like 40 pips, let's say, price has already reached 190, okay, let's say 200 pips. That is 4 times our APO. And if you can see later on, when this trend line was broken, we had another opportunity. Or if you were focusing on lower settings, you will see also many opportunities, but let's say we focus on M12, and even here if someone took it with an APO again like 60 pips, already 183 times our APO. So you can see here only with this pair on 1 week you had 7 times your APO. Next one is oil. You can see again after a very powerful trend line, price gave me a retracement. We were in on this trade anyway, and if we say nice retracement and again an entry like 50 pips, this is 270. Let's say you got stopped out on 180 with your last position. That means 50 plus 100, 150 plus 180, a lot of pips. So when I say 270, that means when I count only this peak, 260, I actually count less pips than we have. And you can see here on our last position, price, well, I don't know if this is the last position, but we are on 270, 280 pips winnings so far. And again, with what I showed you before, we got 3 times our APO. GBP Aussie, another powerful trend line here after a reaction and a higher low. We have our crossovers, everything is pointing and looking good. And again, waiting for a retracement till 36 EMA. Here or here, it's more or less the same entry. Again, 45. You see here my peak was 130, 120. So again, 3 times my APO. And of course, my last position is going for 700 or even more. Last position running forever. Remember that? Also again, another powerful trend continuation entry, late of course with lower risk, no problem. You can see again here or even here if you wanted the price to get out of these 3, 4 rangy candles, 40, 45 pips, again win-win scenario, 2 times our APO. So you see with only these 4 trades, well 4 pairs, 5 trades let's say with DAX, we had more or exactly 15 times of what we have risked. Of course, we got stopped out. That is part of the game. We never say we don't get stopped out, but it doesn't worth mention it because with 15 times our APO, we have, let's say, the right, or we wouldn't mind getting stopped out sometimes. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend. and see you again on Monday with our top-down approach in our first set of pairs. Cheers everybody, stay safe.